For our acorn cookie, we're going to be flooding the bottom portion in the light, kind of a beigey, creamy brown, and then the top will be in the darker brown. And we'll use a little bit of sanding sugar to give it some texture. I'm going to start with the bottom color, and make sure you keep track of your little pieces of bag that you cut off so they don't end up in your cookie. I'm just going to start to outline the cookie, and then I can come through with my little scriber tool and pull this down a little bit so you get that little point. I'm also going to take a little bit of white, and I'm going to cut this just a tiny bit off, just enough to get the color to come out, the frosting to come out. And I'm going to add a little bit of a shadow, or a little inlay, just to give this a little more character. I'm just going to follow the shape of the acorn. That's just going to give it just a little bit of character. And then I'm going to let that set up for about 10 minutes before I come back through and do my cap. I'm going to go ahead and add the cap onto my little cute acorn. I've got a darker brown, and I'm just going to outline and flood, just like so. And then I can come in through it with my scriber tool and kind of pull out up here. Massage this down a little bit. Looks pretty good. And I'm just going to take my acorn here very carefully and bring a little dish over, and I'm just going to add some of that sanding sugar onto it, just to give it a little bit of texture. And then you can try to very carefully get any rogue sanding sugar, and then I'll just set it off to the side and let that dry.